Okay, so last watch video, I promise. This is a Tommy Hilfiger watch, obviously clear by the branding. I did buy this one in Italy as well, and I haven't actually seen it yet here in the UK, but I'm sure it is available somewhere. If not, it will be online. Very simple box, literally just a little cardboard thing with a Tommy Hilfiger logo on it. Not sure if it's really meant to be kept, but I like keeping them. I think it's very nice. I especially like this one actually. It's very different to anything else I've got. It's like a dark gold around the edge, but kind of that theme everywhere. You've got like a blacked out Tommy Hilfiger logo on the back there, on the back of the strap, and it's hard to describe what this colour is. It's not black. It's like a black with a pearlescent gold, which is obviously the theme of the watch, but very nice, very different again, different colours. You've got a little Tommy Hilfiger logo on the button, obviously on the face, the white and red bits up at the top and in the middle, and then you've got an arrow pointing to the day. That is, however, the wrong day at the moment, but oh well. And then you've got some more little dials, like a 24-hour dial, everything like that. Some quite thick hands, and a functioning second hand on this one. Also some numbers written around the gold plate on the side, some little screws on the edge of that. It's nothing fancy. I think I picked this one up for £200, so nothing overly expensive, but I think it's very different, and it just looks, again, quite heavy actually, and a nice size, but it just looks a bit different to anything else. It's not too blingy. There are obviously a lot of silver and very bright gold watches around, but they're a bit too blingy, I think, for me. But this one's very nice. This one is one of the ones that does tend to squeak a little bit though on the strap. I'm not entirely sure why that is. Maybe it's just because Tommy Hilfiger don't make watches very much. But as far as the design goes itself, very nice up close as well. So if you've got any questions about this one, pop them down in the comments, and I will do my best to reply.